Hello everyone, dear students of class 6. This is a very beautiful chapter for you, and with a nice chapter from your book from section 2, and with Anne of Anne of Green Gables is a classic children's novel by Canadian author Lucy Maud Montgomery. Means here, the novel is a very favorite and classical novel for children. Its name is Anne of Green Gables. Uh, by a Canadian author named Lucy Maud Montgomery. Here, the two characters is Matthew and Marilla Cuthbert, a middle-aged brother and sister. Means both are the brother and sister in the relation. Matthew and Marilla and sister intend to adopt a boy to help them. Finally, they decided to make a plan to adopt a boy. एक बच्चे को उन्होंने गोद लेने का इरादा किया on their ancestral farm, ग्रीन गैबल्स. उनके जो एंसेस्ट्रल फार्म था, पूर्वजों का जो फार्म था, उसमें हेल्प के लिए, उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए दे डिसाइडेड टू adopt a boy, and the farm name was Green Gables. By mistake, and Shirley, an 11-year-old girl, arrived. But they wanted a boy, but this was a great mistake by the author, by the character Matthew, and he brought a 11-year-old girl named Anne Shirley. Now this extract tells us how Anne comes to live with the Cuthbert. We have to read the chapter to clear the concept that how the girl Anne start to live her life with the Cuthberts, means Cuthbert family. Here Cuthbert is a surname. Cuthbert is a surname because you see here Matthew and Marilla Cuthbert, means this is a surname, this is the family name. Okay. Okay, now let's start. Marilla came briskly forward as Matthew opened the door. Matthew was on the way to bring the boy, and Marilla was waiting very curiously. She was seeing his way, and when Matthew reached the house, very quickly, very rapidly, she forwarded to open the door. But when her eyes fell on the odd little figure in the steep means strict. But when Marilla's eyes fall on the very little and odd creature, very strict and ugly dress, in a very ugly and strict dress, to see the little figure with the long braids means होता है चोटियाँ बाल की, मोटी मोटी गांठदार चोटियाँ, of red hair, who has red hairs also, and there was eagerness in her eyes, luminous eyes, brightful eyes. She means Marilla stopped short in amazement. वो चौंक गई और चौंक करके वहीं पर रुक गई, अवाक रह गई. She was shocked, she was in amazement, she was unable to see anything, and she was only seeing that ugly girl continuously. Okay. Matthew Cuthbert, who is that? She ejaculated. Ejaculated means स्पोक सडनली। उसके बाद से सी मीन्स मैरिला काफ़ी झटके में बोली, हुज दैट, वो कौन है मैथ्यू, कौन है? वेयर इज़ द बॉय, और लड़का कहाँ है? जिस लड़के को तुम लाने गए थे वो लड़का कहाँ है? देयर वॉजंट एनी बॉय सेड मैथ्यू। मैथ्यू सेड देयर वॉज नॉट एनी वन। मैथ्यू ने कहा, अरे वहाँ तो कोई ऐसा लड़का ही नहीं। रेचेडली, रेचडली मीन्स बदकिस्मती से, रेचेडली बदकिस्मती से, अनफॉर्चुनेटली। मैथ्यू रिप्लाइड हर, आई विजिटेड देयर बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर वॉज नो बॉय, देयर वॉज ओनली हर मीन्स केवल वहाँ पे लड़कियाँ थीं, गर्ल्स थीं, नॉट अ बॉय। ही नॉडेड एट द चाइल्ड। देन ही नॉडेड एट द चाइल्ड। नॉडेड मीन्स होता है सर हिलाना, सर हिला करके बोलना। ही नॉडेड एट द चाइल्ड, फिर वो बच्ची के तरफ सर हिला करके उससे बात किया, बात करते हुए बोला कुछ, रिमेंबरिंग दैट, याद करते हुए कि ही हैड नेवर इवन आस्क्ड हर नेम, कि मैंने तो इस लड़की को लेके आया, ध्यान ही नहीं दिया, और यहाँ तक कि मैंने इसका नाम तक नहीं पूछा। नाउ मैथ्यू वाज एट दैट टाइम इन डीप थॉट। नो बॉय, बट देयर मस्ट हैव बीन अ बॉय, इंसिस्टेड मैरीला। इंसिस्टेड मीन्स होता है कोई बात जोड़ दे करके बोलना। सेइंग और स्टेटमेंट और सेइंग वर्ड्स विद प्रेशर, आई प्रेसली। तो मरीला ऑल्सो insisted that no boy, how it is true, how it's happened that there was no boy. We sent word to Mrs. Spencer to bring a boy. मिसेज स्पेंसर को हमें संपर्क किए होते एक लड़के के लिए, ज़रूर हमें लड़का मिल जाता। Well, she didn't. Matthew replied that, well means yes, I sent word to Mrs. Spencer. I sent word to Mrs. Spencer, but she didn't bring a boy. She brought her. उन्होंने बॉय नहीं, उन्होंने हर को लाया, इसी गर्ल्स को उन्होंने लाया। I asked the station master, and then when I found this girl, I asked the station master and I had to bring her home. And after that they handed me it, and finally I had to bring her home. मुझे उसे अब घर लाना पड़ा। She couldn't be left there, no matter where the mistake had come. And he said that, okay, no problem. She couldn't be left there. And we don't care about the matter that where this mistake had come in for us. We never care about it. We don't care about it. We try to avoid it. Well, okay, ठीक है. This is a pretty piece of business, ejaculated Marilla. Once again, Marilla spoke very suddenly that this girl seems a pretty piece of business. बिजनेस के लिए, ये अपने काम के लिए ये काफ़ी अच्छी पीस लगती है। मीन्स अपने काम के लिए हमें एक अच्छी पीस लगती है. She also said, you can see here in this picture, here he is Matthew Cuthbert, and this woman is Marilla Cuthbert, and this is a girl named Anne Shirley. Now she is going to adopted by this young brother and sister, and they are having a conversation about this girl this time, and she accepts her as a pretty piece of business for themselves. Okay, next in the next video. That's okay.